Hello everyone, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Nikkei futures for Thursday, October 26. For the record, today is Wednesday, October 25. Time is around 5:15 p.m. GMT. So honestly, we did not get much wiser of the price action in the Nikkei. So we are looking here at the 4-hour chart, and my take on the Nikkei is that we are doing a triple tree correction here, so quite a complicated corrective move. As you can see, we are acting very corrective. We are in the wave 4 area, so I counted this here as a wave 3 in the higher degree. If you're interested in the higher time frame, please have a look at the higher time frame analysis. So a wave 3 right here. We are working on this wave 4. We are in the wave 4 area. And so we are clearly moving here in 3. And I think we are doing a triple tree as a WXYXZ correction. So that means, like, so far it looks like we had the wave W, the wave X, the wave Y, and now the main question is, are we working or still working on the wave X as indicated in green, or did we already start the wave Z as indicated here in red? So what you should know is that this here is our wave X area. So technically we have been here in this area. So if we take the length here of our wave Y, then you can see here the wave X area, which is the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. We've been in this area, so that could mean we have enough. We could have started this wave Z, and if we have started this wave Z, then I believe we are doing this as a WXY pattern as indicated in red. However, there is still a chance that we are doing this move here, wave W, wave X down in green, and that we go one more time back into this area, taking out this high before we reverse as a wave Z. So if we solely look at the Nikkei, yeah, both scenarios are equally valid. So therefore, we have to look at the other indices to maybe they can give us a bit of indication which path the Nikkei would follow. And I prefer the path which where we will see here some more upside before turning down. So the path in green. But honestly, looking at the Nikkei alone, then I would say both scenarios are equally valid. Also, the lower time frame does not make us much wiser. Like here, if we look at the 1 hour now, okay, from here we reacted nicely from this wave X area as indicated in green. This is the wave X area. So if we take the length here of this wave W, then the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement is the wave X area. We also reacted nicely from the equal leg area. So if we take here the length of the OR wave A, the length of OR wave B, then we should have reacted from this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. We reached the lower boundary of this area, but as you can see, reaction to the upside from here. And so now currently we have some downside, but this is not so unusual. As you know, both this wave X or both this wave Y should go again in 3. And then what we see now could be like 1, 2, 3 into this area, or even into higher into this area, taking out this high. So also the lower time frame does not make us much wiser, as we are doing a move that fits in both scenarios. It could even be, if we have a shallow wave X, that the wave X was in right here, and that we then started or will do our last leg of the wave Z. So that would mean we have then here 1, 2, 3, like this wave unfolded as 3, 1, 2, 3, and then here we should again see something like 1, 2, 3, taking out this low. So yeah, I'm very aware a lot of possible scenarios in the Nikkei. I would prefer the scenario where we see this WXY as indicated in green, but it could be that the wave X is in right here. We've been into the area. We have 3 waves up from here, so all conditions are fulfilled to have a complete structure right here. And then if the wave X is in, then the path we would follow is WXY down to complete the wave Z. So that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.